Welcome back everyone. So in today's video we'll be working with page numbering in Microsoft Word. So for this demo I'll be using the 2016 Mac version. Well, it works pretty much similar since the 2010 version itself, both for Windows and Mac. So I'll be showing you two scenarios here. So in the first scenario there may be situations where you want to number the first set of pages in a particular numbering style and then the remaining with a different style. So here the first two pages have Roman numbers and then the actual numbering starts from the third page here. So moving on to the scenario 2, here there may be situations where you don't want to number the first set of pages but you want to start the actual numbering from the third page. So that is the scenario 2. So I'll be showing you both these scenarios in this demo. So here I have a sample document. As you can see, the page 1 is the book name, then I have the chapter title, and then my actual content starts from page 3. So I'll be just inserting page number, for which I'll go to insert tab and then page number and hit on OK. So this is the normal page numbering style. So the book title will get the page number 1 and then introduction 2 and so on. But as per my first scenario, I wanted the first two pages to have Roman number style and then my actual numbering starts from page 3. So I'll just click on the beginning of page 3 and I'll be inserting a break here, for which I'll go to layout, breaks, and I'll be inserting a next page. So as you can see, a dummy page or a blank page gets added. Just ignore that for now. And if you go down and see, the numbering is still the same. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be formatting the number, for which I'll have to go into the edit mode of the footer. Just double click on the footer and you'll be in the edit mode, and go to page number, format page number, and click on page numbering starts at, give the value 1 and hit on OK. Just close the edit mode and you can see that from the actual content the page numbering starts, and the initial pages will have a different set of numbering, so 1, 2 and 3. So now all I have to do is change the style of the initial page numbering. So again, go into the edit mode of footer, page number, format, and change the numbering style to Roman, and just close this. So here you can see this one got the Roman number 1, here this got 2, and here you can see this is the number 1. So just remove this dummy page here. I'll just hit back. So as you can see, I just went ahead and removed the blank page, and now as you can see, this one has the Roman numbering style 2, and then from here the actual page numbering starts. So now let's move on to scenario number 2, where I want to remove these Roman numbering styles, or I just don't want any page numbering on the initial set of pages. So what I'll do is I'll go to edit mode on the page number 3, and here I'll be removing the link to previous. So I'll be no more link to the previous page. So just click on this, and now the link to the previous page is removed. So now we can just happily go ahead and remove this numbering over here, and then just close the edit mode. So now you can see the initial pages don't have any numbering. The actual numbering will just start from page number 3, that is 1, 2 and so on. So that is how you implement both these scenarios. If you have any doubts, just put a comment below. I'll be very happy to help you. Thank you.